In today's video, we're going to talk exactly what email marketing is and how you could do it to help grow and scale your business. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Michael Tandrich. I built a 7-figure marketing agency, and now I'm giving the marketing strategies away that I use for my own businesses and my clients' businesses for free through this YouTube channel and through my weekly newsletter called Midweek Marketer. If you'd like to sign up for that completely for free, click the link in the description below. In my weekly newsletter, I give away strategies that I don't talk about here on YouTube, so you get the real good stuff there. All right, so like I said, let's talk about what email marketing is and how you can use it for your business. Now, obviously, every single day we use emails to communicate with our coworkers, with our employees, with our friends, with our family. And today, I'm not going to be talking about that specifically because that's not the email marketing that I'm going to be talking about today. The email marketing that I'm talking about is having a huge contact list of anywhere from a couple hundred to thousands to hundreds of thousands of people and utilizing a specific platform to blast out your email to those people. And with that email, you can promote a sale or a product or event that's going on with your business to all of those people. Now, the reason email marketing is so important is you have a way better chance of converting that lead to purchasing something from you. So for example, if you gave me the option to have an email list of 1,000 people or an Instagram account with 100,000 people on it, I am going to take that email list every single time. And the reason that is on Instagram or any other social media platform, you're only reaching a small percentage, about like 5 to 10% of your followers that are on your Instagram account. So you have 100,000 people, you're only reaching a few of them. And that's mixed in with a bunch of other messages, and that's if the algorithm wants to show your content to those people. Now, I'm not saying don't build up your followers on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok, but the point is that your email list, those are people that have specifically asked to get your information, and you're able to easily convert them over because as long as you can nail the subject line of that email, you have a really good chance of converting them into purchasing a product or a service from you. So my point is email marketing is super important for your business, no matter what industry or product or service you sell. Okay, now that we went over what email marketing is, let's go over a couple different things. One, what email platforms to use. The second one we're going to go over is how to build your email list. So how to bring contacts in that you can actually send emails out to. And the last one is what type of content you should be putting in your email marketing to get people to convert over to purchasing your product or service. Now, before I dive into what email platforms you should be utilizing, I will say this. I have seen so much success with my clients and with my own businesses with email marketing. Giving you an example, we had a client where we ran a special event. We built their email list up by 77,000 people within a 2-week period. And within a 3-day period, because this is when we did the sale, we brought in over $500,000. That's the power of having that email list. Now, there was a bunch of different strategies that we utilized with that, and I'll go over that in a different video. But the point is that your email list is super, super valuable. And that's not even taking into account the lifetime value of that 77,000 people that are on that email list. That was just a 3-day period of bringing in that $500,000. All right, sorry for that side quest. Let's go over the email platforms to utilize with your email marketing. The first one you can utilize is something like MailChimp. I would highly recommend MailChimp if you're just starting out. It's a great platform to get on, get your email marketing going. They offer a lot of different free options, and it allows you to really start to get the groove going with your email marketing. A couple of things I don't like about MailChimp, and this really comes into effect when building your email list, is that they don't really offer too many options for the forms. You kind of only have one form, and you're only able to tag and track a couple people with that one form. Email marketing through MailChimp is great if you're starting out, but once you get really more complicated, you're trying to build out things, my second platform is the one that I would suggest. And that second one is ActiveCampaign. The reason I like ActiveCampaign, and yes, it's a little bit more expensive than MailChimp, is they offer a lot of different options of integrating in your forms to be able to build out your email list. They also offer integrations into things like Shopify. So whenever someone comes to your Shopify page and they're going and checking out, it pulls that data into ActiveCampaign so that you can email market to them or send them an abandoned cart email. There's a lot of different things that you can do with ActiveCampaign that allows you to be a lot more built out than a platform like MailChimp. The other thing that ActiveCampaign offers is they have automation. So there's a lot of different funnels that you can build out with your email marketing to get really detailed and start to really get into a groove with things. I use ActiveCampaign with a lot of my clients. It's the platform that I utilize for my midweek marketer newsletter. Again, it's completely free. If you want to get those marketing strategies, click the link in the description below. I also have a free course on how to build out an ActiveCampaign account. You can click that link too in the description below. Now, a couple other platforms that you can check out are things like Klaviyo or Constant Contact. To me, Klaviyo is more in between MailChimp and ActiveCampaign. I'm not a huge fan of it. It doesn't get as detailed as I like, but it's a kind of a next step in between MailChimp and ActiveCampaign if that's what you want to do. I will say this though, when you're building out your email marketing, it's best to just figure out the best email platform for the long term so you're not having to like export and then re-import all the data again. It's a pain in the butt. I've done it for a bunch of different clients. I've done it for my businesses. Figure out your email platform right now and it'll save you a ton of headache down the road. And then also Constant Contact is very similar to MailChimp. Same features, that kind of thing. Okay, let's talk about how to build up your email marketing list. Now, the first way you can do it is just having your emails from your actual customers right now. I'll give you an example of this. One of the businesses I own is an accounting firm, and we'll utilize email marketing to be able to communicate with our clients, give them promotions, those type of things. These are just people that are clients of ours anyhow, and we are able to just send them email marketing pieces out. I also have my front desk team there collect people's email addresses when they call in so then we can pull them into our email marketing list. We ask for their approval first because there's laws around that. So you can't just throw anyone's emails into your email marketing platform. They have to approve it. There's laws around it. You can look it up. It's called GDPR laws. So look that up before you just throw anyone's emails addresses in. But the point is in my accounting firm, I already have customers. We have hundreds of them, and we put their email addresses in their email marketing platform, and then we're able to send them information. Or through my marketing agency, we have a client that runs an HVAC business, and we'll handle email marketing for them, and they have thousands of clients and customers on there, and we're able to upsell those customers. So let's say, for example, they purchase a furnace, and down the road, we're like, hey, you can get this type of really nice filter, or hey, you could upgrade your thermostat and it would save you X amount of money on your electric bill throughout the month. The point is that taking your customer list and being able to upsell them or give them information on your business is a great way to build out your email list. The next way you can build out your email list is through some kind of free offer. A lot of people will say, hey, let's give out a free PDF or something free where we can just collect their email address, which is fine and it works. But the point is the intent of that person isn't to stay on your email list. The intent of that person is to get that free offer, so that free PDF. After that, they just hit unsubscribe and then they're gone. So the point is when you're doing a free offer, you want to offer it in a way that that person stays on for a very long time because they're continuously getting information from you. For example, my midweek marketer newsletter, which you can sign up for in the link in the description. I give away weekly marketing strategies that I'm using on my businesses, that I'm using on my clients' businesses to help them grow and scale, and it's completely for free. Someone that signs up for that, which is going to be you, gets free information every single week, and they get that information that's actually valuable to helping them grow their business. And the point is that you don't stay on because you just got a free PDF and then you leave. The point is you stay on because every single week you're getting free, valuable information that's actually helping you in your business. So the point is if you're gonna have some kind of free offer to build your email list, which you should, it's a great way to do it, make sure you're doing it in a way where the people want to stay on, and that's their intention when they give you their email address. And it's not just, I'm trying to get something and then leave. Now, another way to build your email list is through discounts. This works very heavy in e-commerce type brands, so online businesses. I'm sure you see this all the time. You go to really any kind of online store, so like our place where you can get like kitchen pots and stuff like that. Immediately hit with a pop-up saying, hey, you'll get a 10% discount if you give us your email address, and now they're doing phone numbers too, so they can text you. This is a great way to get their email addresses so you can continuously contact them. However, the unsubscribe rate is a lot more than if you did something where it's a free offer that they're constantly getting value from. I mean, let's be honest, last night I was looking at new office chairs and I went to Herman Miller, gave my email address to get the discount, and unsubscribed immediately afterwards after getting my discount. I don't want to get Herman Miller's emails. My intent was just to get the discount. So the point is that if you can figure out a way to offer a discount, but then also keep them on because they want to continue to get something free from you or a valuable offer or something like that, that's the way to do it. One last note I'll make on this too is these big brands that we get emails from constantly. Everyone's doing that strategy. And so if you're a small business owner and you're running your own little thing, think about how you can be outside the box of that. So for example, moving into content, one of the big things that these big box companies do is they'll send emails about sales, which is good and you should do it. However, it's just constant, right? They're constantly hitting you in the face with, hey, buy this thing. Hey, we have this offer going on. Hey, it's President's Day sale, it's Labor Day sale, it's July 4th sale, and they're constantly hitting you with that stuff. The point is as a small business owner, It's fine to do those things, and you should do those things. It really does move the needle in terms of revenue. However, you should really be thinking of ways that you can provide a ton of value through your email marketing. That's the second thing with providing content, is making sure that you're offering free value. Because these big companies aren't doing that. They're just mainly doing the sales, which again, you should do. However, if you're stepping outside the box of what they're doing, being able to offer really focused, free value, it's a fantastic way to stand out from everyone else. It really makes your customer feel like you value them. And then when you do go ask for the sale or offer a sale, you end up getting higher revenue because of it. I'll give you a couple examples. Let's say you're an HVAC company and someone just got a furnace from you. 2 weeks later, you send them an email checking in on their furnace. 2 weeks later after that saying, hey, it's been a month since you got your new furnace. These are some things that you should keep an eye on. 3 months after that, hey, this is just a friendly reminder to change your filter on your new furnace. Going back to ActiveCampaign, you can set all those type of automations up. All you need to do is put the contact in and say, hey, new furnace, and it would send those automated emails out. Or another example, I know I mentioned our place kitchen equipment, so like pans and pots and those type of things. Sending emails out of, here are the best ways to take care of your new pot. Or here are the best ways to clean your pot and what type of soap you should be using and all those type of things. The point is that what's the value add that you can add on to your product or service that's free. It's free information, but you're showing value to your customers on your email list. And the more specific you can get about it, the better. Again, like I said, new furnace people, send them emails specifically about their new furnace. You can blast out your whole email list about those things like, hey, get filters for your things and you can purchase it through me, and that's fine. However, the more specific you can get that value to that specific person, the better results you're gonna have. Now, the last one that I like to do when it comes to content is behind the scenes. And what I mean by behind the scenes, and this is a great way to wrap in your social media profiles, is you can have Instagram reels showcasing like, hey, I'm the business owner, this is what I'm doing today, or this is our process, or this is a customer and why they really enjoy working with us. Literally a video testimonial from a customer, and link those things into an email marketing piece and send those out. The point is that you want to be able to showcase the personal side of your business. So people like working with people they like. Showcase that to them. Showcase like, hey, I'm the business owner. These are some things I like. If you like that, cool. Like, let's talk. When you're creating content for your email marketing, wrap in your social media, but do it in a way that's showcasing the personal side of your business. All right, that's all I got on what email marketing is and how to do it. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button. It really helps me get it out to new people, or subscribe so you can watch more videos. And if you'd like to sign up for the Midweek Marketer and get free marketing strategies that I'm using with my businesses and my clients' businesses, click the link in the description below. It's completely free. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and I will see you in the next one.